Hello, in this program we are using do loop instead of the for loop. This program also trying to print the numbers 1 to 10. The structure of do loop is like this. Do will be used at the beginning without any condition. Do, then curly brackets open and close. Within that we can give the statements which are going to be executed repeatedly, and while is the exit condition we are giving with keyword while and the condition exit condition I greater than 10, then it should exit. Till that the program, this part of the code will be repeatedly executing. Initialized I is initialized, and we have to assign some value to I equal to 0. The initial value of I be 0, let it be 0, and I is incremented by 1, I equal to I plus 1, printing the value of I using %d because it is integer, while I greater than 10. This part of program will continue until the value become greater than 10. So let us save the program. Name of the program is do. So we are going to compile dmc do. Okay, it is successfully compiled and linked, and let us run the program. We just got 1, nothing else. Something wrong in the program. Let us change the condition, exit condition. While I less than 10, let it continue. While I less than 10. Okay, let us see that. Again we have to compile and link the program. Compilation done successfully. Let us execute the program do. Yeah, we got the output 1 to 10. So that means the program will execute if the value of I is less than 10. We got 10 also printed because 10 is printed here, then only it is checking for the exit condition. So in this program, even if we are giving 0 here, let us see how it is going to perform. Compilation done, do. Okay, we are getting only 1. That means already it is in the exit condition. Even then, in this do while construct, first of all it will come to the program code which is given in the do construct. At the end of first execution, it will check for the exit condition, and if the condition is true, then it will exit. So do loop will at least execute once, even if the exit value is already reached. Okay, in this program we can make some changes here. Let me comment this statement I equal to I plus 1. I am going to give another statement which is equivalent to I plus equal to 1, which is also giving the same meaning for the compiler. I equal to I plus 1 is nothing but I plus equal to 1 for the compiler. So I have saved the program. Let me compile and link the program. Okay, finally we can execute the program. Okay, it's fine, there is no difference. And the same thing can be represented in one more way, that is I plus plus. I plus plus. That means value of I is incremented by 1. This is an incremental operation. i's value is going to be incremented by 1, that is I plus plus means. So all these statements are same for C compiler. I have saved it. Let me compile it once again. Run the program. It is the same. So incremental operation, if you are just incrementing only one value, then you can use this style. Otherwise you can use either this or this style of operations for incrementing in steps. And there is another way of using the last I plus plus statement, that is plus plus I. Let me save the program, compile it, compile successfully. Okay, run it. We are getting the value up to 10. Some cases this statement is also equivalent to this statement, but there will be some difference in some cases. Even this statement can be given within the block. Print f I plus plus. This way also we can use it. Directly we can increment the value of I and we are going to print it. Okay, now the program is saved. Compile it, linked, and run the program. We are getting the output only up to 9. Only up to 9. Previously we were getting up to 10. Let me change this one into plus plus I and see the output. Linking is done. Oh, sorry, I have executed wrong program, so our program is due. Okay, now in this case we are getting output up to 10. So that means there is some difference between I plus plus and plus plus I. The difference is plus plus I is incremented first, then the value is assigned for the printing. But if you are giving I plus plus, first the initial value of I will be taken for printing, later it will be doing the print operation. Pre-increment operation and post-incremental operation. That is the difference between I plus plus and plus plus I. Similarly, we can go for minus operation also in the same way. Plus and minus operations. Plus is for incremental operation and minus is for decremental operation. But there is no scope for division and multiplication in this sense. Okay, this is an example of doing do while construct. It's a looping construct. Initial value can be given before the do. Increment can be done within the program, within the do construct, and the exit condition will be accompanied with the while statement. And notice that in this while there will be a semicolon at the end. This is the end of the construct. Usually at the end of the for loop we will not be having a semicolon like this. That's a difference.